What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you hear Fortnite in the background, don't worry about it, it's all good. But today we are going to do a unboxing of this RC that I just acquired on Amazon a couple days ago. I've been waiting all week to unbox this, and now it's finally here. NJX RC. The unboxing is coming up to you next.
Welcome to noprosrc.
Let's get it. So she is fully charged and ready to go. It is time. You've seen the unboxing and everything that comes with it. Let's just see what she can do.
A few moments later.
What you're about to see is only 70%. Next, after we do some 70% runs, I'm gonna switch it all the way up to 100%, and that's full send. Let's go. All right, now we're gonna switch it to 100%. God. Okay guys, so as you can see on 100%, that's full send. It's nuts. It's fast as all outdoors. When you hit turns or corners, you definitely don't want to be going too fast or you will flip. I think I already demonstrated that in the video. So yeah, this thing from Amazon that I picked up for $150, I believe. I'll leave the link in the description below so you can see exactly what I paid for it. But this Citroen is a blast. Plus it comes with drift tires. That's crazy. That's crazy. Anyway, if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, like this video, hit that notification bell so you know when we drop new videos. All right, so with that being said, I'm gonna let you guys go. First weekend in the new year, and you already know it's about to go down here at noprosrc. Alright, so y'all be easy. Peace.
Thanks for watching. Like and comment, don't forget to watch more, subscribe.